Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A03s. Okay, for that we will need the buttons for, so the power button and the volume down button. So press these both buttons now just for short together and you will have a screenshot. And after you have the opportunity also to edit the screenshot or to share directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. Okay, one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you will have a screenshot. After, if you're tapping here on the editing symbol, you're able also to mark some things here or to draw something inside, or if you press here on the corners, you're able also to crop here a part, to crop a part here of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to have maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And after you can share this edited part or save it here with the arrow to your gallery. Okay. You're ready to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And at the pictures you can see your screenshots here, of course. But what is very nice at the category albums, the screenshots have their own folder just for screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me. Just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.